Hi there, I'm Shahy and welcome to Shahy's is English. Today we will be looking at how to tell the time in the most easy way. First we will be looking at the vocabulary, okay? So when we look at the clock has a face, or a watch, it has a face. And it has numbers, and it also, well, the clock has three hands. Okay, the seconds hand, the minutes hand, and the hours hand, okay? So there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, okay? And there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. And how many hours are there, okay, in one day? But it's day and night, okay, so it's 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours means, they say 1 day, but it means day and night, okay? So now we will start telling the time. The big hand is on 12 and then the small hand is on 1, it's 1 o'clock. Okay, when the big hand is on 12 and the little hand is on 2, it's 2 o'clock. The big hand is on 12 and the little hand is on 3, it's 3 o'clock. Okay? I think you got it, right? So you know how to say what o'clock it is. Okay? So if it's 2 o'clock, but the big hand is now moved, okay, from 12 to 1. So when it goes on 1, it means 5 minutes have gone by, okay? So it's 5 past 2, okay? And then when it's on 2, we say 10 past 2. Whatever the hour is, it might be 10 past 3, 10 past 4, okay? And when it's on 3, it's quarter past, okay? Quarter past 2, quarter past 3, quarter past the hour, okay? 20 past the hour. Then on 5 it's 25 past the hour, and then it's 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, whatever time it is. So now we've done past. Now we have to say 2. 2 means how many minutes are left to the next hour, okay? So in our example we use 2 o'clock. So now from 2 o'clock it's 3 o'clock, that's right. Okay, so now when the big hand is on 5, it will be 25 to 3, okay? 22, 3, quarter to 3, that means 15 minutes are left, okay? 10 to 3, 10 minutes are left for it to be 3 o'clock, and it's 5 to 3, and then it's 3 o'clock, okay? So the first part was past. And then after 30 it's 2, okay? Now we will look at the prepositions. At what time is your appointment? At what time are you going to be home? At what time? Okay? At what time are you going to be logging in? At what time are you going to be watching my videos? At what time are you going to be coming to my house? At what time is the party? I'm going to be coming home at 9 o'clock. My appointment is at 3 o'clock, okay? My appointment is at 3:30 or 3:20. Sometimes people don't say past. They use the digital time like you might do, okay? 3:15, 3:20, 4:40. So it depends. For digital time, so we can just say whatever your time is showing. 5:55, okay? 4:30, 4:48. It might not be exactly the exact time at quarter past or 20 past. It can be the time in the middle for the digital watches. So you can share with me, what kind of watch do you wear? Do you wear a watch? Me, I don't wear a watch. And I don't have a clock in my room, okay? I usually just guess the time. What about you? Do you wear a watch? Do you have a clock in the room? Anyway, we've come to the end of this lesson, and it was a quick lesson, right? So thank you very much for everybody who has been subscribing. It's really wonderful. And after this lesson, I will be posting another pronunciation video for you to help you with your pronunciation. And this is one of the ESOL lessons. Anyway, let me cut to the chase. At the end of the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe if you didn't already for some more short and sweet videos with Shahy, okay? Take care and bye for now.